Hello and welcome to the Property Video 101 online course. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here. This course has the potential to be an absolute game changer for your business. Video has become an essential tool in the real estate industry, and mastering the art of creating high quality property videos can and will open doors to new opportunities, higher paying clients, and a stronger competitive edge in your market. Whether you're just starting out or already established as a real estate photographer, the skills you'll learn here can and will help take your business to that next level. In this course, we're gonna dive deep into the process of creating property videos that not only look amazing, but deliver tangible results to your clients, helping your clients market and sell homes faster and get more listings and come back to you, all while you position yourself as the go-to expert in your area. These videos aren't just about aesthetics either, they're about results. And the best part, you can sell them for hundreds and hundreds or even thousands of dollars per project, making them a super lucrative addition in your business. We'll cover every step of the process, starting from the fundamentals, from planning the shoot, choosing the right equipment, to framing your shots and capturing the details that make each property so unique. We'll discuss how to work efficiently so you can deliver top-notch results without spending endless hours on each project. This course is designed to meet you wherever you are in your journey. If you're an experienced real estate photographer looking to enhance your offerings by adding video, you'll find the guidance you need to make that transition smoothly. If you're brand new to property videos and real estate in general, don't worry, I've got you covered with step-by-step instructions and clear explanations of all the tools and techniques involved in the whole process. Whether you're working with a smartphone or a full suite of advanced camera gear, by the end of this course, you'll have the skills and confidence to produce high-quality property videos that help your clients sell their listings faster and more effectively. But it doesn't stop there. These videos will also help you stand out from your competitors, allowing you to win more clients, secure more shoots, and increase your income by charging premium rates for your work alongside growing demand. Whether you're just getting started or looking to enhance your existing skills, this course will equip you with everything you need to know to succeed in the thriving world of real estate videography.